Are you trying to figure out tonight what kind of side to make to go with your dinner? Well, in today's video, we're going to be taking these frozen green beans and we're going to turn them into this delicious side of green beans that have a lot of flavor. You'll never know they were from the frozen section. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, tonight we're cooking these green beans. And I wanted to bring y'all a quick little video on how I cook these frozen green beans from Walmart. They're $1.97. And then I'm going to put one strip of bacon and some minced garlic and just a few herbs in them. And this is a great way to use those frozen green beans on a budget and make them good and tasty. I'm going to go ahead and cut my skillet on and let it be heating up. We're going to put just a tiny bit of oil so I can get my bacon started. And we're going to go ahead and put our bacon pieces in there. And this is just one strip of thick cut bacon. You could add more if you wanted to, but we're making this one a cheap, frugal side that still can taste real good, but not spend a lot of money on a side dish. When we're cooking on a budget, a lot of us concentrate just on what kind of meat we're going to have. But today, we're going to be doing a side dish. And I'm going to show y'all how you can make these frozen green beans for $1.97 turn out to taste great with just a few ingredients you already have. Okay? We've got that bacon almost where I want it. I got just a few little pieces right there that I'm going to let get just a little bit browner. Okay, now we've got the bacon bits and pieces where we want to have them at. But we're going to go ahead now and we're going to add the green beans. And it is going to sizzle for a second, but it'll die down in just 1 minute. Going to coat the green beans with that bacon grease and all that flavor they're going to get from that bacon. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of our total seasoning. A little salt. Just a little turmeric. We've been using this a good bit just because it's so good for you. It has so many health benefits. We've started using this and it makes your food taste good also. A little black pepper. And just a little bit of garlic powder. And now we're going to add a teaspoon of this minced garlic. If you've got real garlic cloves, you could chop up some of those. And now we're just going to give those a little toss. Now you can make these frozen green beans taste just like fresh ones you picked right out of the garden. It just takes a little bit of tender love and care to them. And now I'm going to add about a half a cup of water. coated good. We're going to put our lid on our cast iron skillet, and I'm going to let them steam and cook for around 7 to 8 minutes. Now we're going to check them. Okay, now right here, for some people, this might be as done as you want to get them. But we like to get them just a little bit more doner. But right now, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to add a tablespoon of butter. And we're going to let that melt in there. Okay, we're going to check them one more time. Mix our butter up on them. And that right there is how we're going to leave them. Depending on how good done you like them, it's up to you. Okay, now we're going to serve this up a little bit, let y'all see what they look like. Cut those off. Okay, here's what our green beans turned out to look like. We paid $1.97 for them. We used 1 piece of our bacon and just some of our seasonings that we already have. So for this side dish, we probably have around maybe $2.50 in our side dish tonight. You can make those frozen green beans turn out great. Your family will love them. I hope y'all give them a try. We're having a little chicken on the side with ours. Let's eat, y'all. It's gonna be good. Okay, y'all, I hope you give this simple, easy side a try. They're easy, they're simple, and they're budget friendly. We've got around $2.50 probably in our green beans tonight. They're gonna be delicious. Summer's coming up, spring's coming, and these green beans would make a great side for any spring get-together or summer event. They're quick and easy, and it don't take a lot of time. I just got home from work. I'm ready to sit down and eat supper, and I got this done in around probably maybe 15 minutes at the most. I hope y'all like our video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.